Deserts are some of the harshest environments on Earth. With blazing daytime heat, freezing nights, and little to no rainfall, survival here seems almost impossible. Yet, desert plants don't just survive, they thrive. So how do they do it? One of the biggest challenges in the desert is water scarcity. To deal with this, many desert plants have evolved special root systems. Some plants, like cacti, have wide, shallow roots that spread just beneath the surface. This allows them to quickly absorb rainwater before it evaporates. Others grow extremely deep roots that reach underground water sources far below the surface. Another remarkable adaptation is water storage. Plants such as cacti and succulents store water inside their thick, fleshy stems or leaves. These tissues act like natural reservoirs, allowing the plant to survive long periods without rain. The pleated or ribbed shape of cacti even allows them to expand when water is available and shrink during droughts. Desert plants also minimize water loss. Instead of broad leaves, many have tiny leaves, spines, or no leaves at all. These features reduce surface area, limiting evaporation. In cacti, spines also provide shade and protection from animals. Many desert plants are covered in a waxy coating. This thick layer helps seal in moisture and reflects sunlight, keeping the plant cooler. Some plants even have light-colored surfaces or fine hairs that reflect heat and reduce water loss. Photosynthesis in the desert works a little differently too. Many desert plants use a process called photosynthesis. Instead of opening their pores, called stomata, during the hot daytime, they open them at night when temperatures are cooler. This clever timing greatly reduces water loss while still allowing the plant to take in carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis in the desert works a little differently too. Many desert plants use a process called photosynthesis. Instead of opening their pores, called stomata, during the hot daytime, they open them at night when temperatures are cooler. This clever timing greatly reduces water loss while still allowing the plant to take in carbon dioxide. Survival isn't just about structure, it's also about timing. Some desert plants live most of their lives as seeds, waiting patiently for rain. When it finally arrives, they sprout, bloom, and produce new seeds in just a few weeks, completing their life cycle before the desert dries out again. To reduce water loss, desert plants have evolved modified leaves. Cactus spines reduce transpiration by as much as 60% compared to broad leaves. Spines also create shade and disrupt airflow, lowering surface temperature by several degrees. Many desert plants are coated in a thick, waxy cuticle that reflects sunlight and reduces evaporation. Some species, like the creosote bush, have resin-coated leaves that reduce water loss and protect against herbivores. Fine hairs on plants such as desert sage reflect solar radiation and trap moisture near the leaf surface. The way leaves are shaped and positioned plays a major role in survival. Some desert plants hold their leaves upright, rather than flat, which reduces exposure to intense midday sunlight. This simple adjustment can lower leaf temperature by several degrees and significantly reduce water loss. Other plants have very small leaves or spines, which further limit evaporation. Many desert plants have sunken stomata, meaning their pores are located in tiny pits on the leaf surface.